Guda Bishnoi Lake, Jodhpur. Efforts of Bishnoi community and forest department are now bringing the results. Lake is now full of life. Our guests from the Central Asia has also arrived. Demoiselle Crane, also known by the local name koornj, migrates to India from the Central Asian plains in the month of winter. It is said that the first verse of Valmiki, who was the composer of Ramayana, was based on Demoiselle Crane. Demoiselle Crane fly in the unique pattern of arrowhead. They do this to minimize the air drag. Now it's the time for them to go back to their home. Hope they will remember us.